Hello everyone, we are talking about in this video SXP BUSD coin. So firstly, we're telling something about this coin. This coin is very useful coin for you. Kindly use it. I can share proper detail in this video. Kindly listen carefully. So firstly, we see the profit is increasing plus 0.06%. So total coin earning is 0.33540 $0.3350. Now we move toward the what is 24-hour high, what is 24-hour volume SXP, what is 24-hour low, what is 24-hour volume BUSD. So 24-hour high is 0.3470 to 24-hour volume SXP is 998,700.50. 24-hour low is 0.3287. 24-hour volume BUSD is 334,689.56. Now we move towards the MABO RSI KDJ. Now we see the profit is earning plus 0.09. So we moves towards the today's earning is 0.0%, 7 days later earning is 8.5%, 30 days later earning is increasing, purchasing and increasing, and something is minus 4.4%, 90 days later earning is minus 24.7%, 1 year later earning is minus 84.8%. All of these later earning is minus 43.3%. So we move towards the um, charge is increasing plus 0.008 plus 0.26%. Now we move towards the time is 2022 10:23 1 o'clock. Now with this time open is 0.3100. I hope you guys like my video.